any other nations. I'm going to tell you what is happening on the Philippines. They prepare me being an escort in the barangay or barangay or destination of my home. And then I think about what I have begun from being escort in the barangay of myself. Then I escort the, the team of the players in the games, in the game of volleyball. And then government has no given by me anything things or money to me. They have no given to me. They have no given to me. And then the free money of being have a payout. And then I signed my ID to have to have to have bef- to have during the payout of government in the Philippines. I have no again. They not validate my they not validate my identity in the ID of national ID. And they said not they said not to validate my ID and my 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 living in the Philippines. And then there's no changing in the Philippines. Why I have no payout? Why I have no prize in my escorting in the volleyball playing games in the whole Talavera? Why they have no given by me a peso money or money pricing to me that I gave all my best to be escorting the Talavera in the games of volleyball because of the corruption. They have no given by me a peso money because they corrupt my money work my money worked by myself. They have no given by me. And then the payout is not validated of me to me. Such a big stress in the Philippines. Philippines is the most stressing nation in the whole world nation. Philippines is the most stressing.